My name is Olale Kenlori. I've been around cybersecurity for a while, and I've helped a number of my friends to also kickstart on this journey. And today we are going to be looking at cybersecurity project for your resume. Cybersecurity employers are looking for hands-on, and this project will give you a good hands-on, which is network traffic analysis. Network traffic analysis is also known as packet sniffing. I know network traffic analysis is the process of intercepting and examining data packets that are transmitted over a network. It is a method used for monitoring and analyzing network traffic for various purposes, and this includes purpose like troubleshooting your network, security analysis, looking at what is going on within your network and seeing what is being sent and received. Then performance optimization. Maybe you are having challenges on your network. You want to know why your network is slow. Maybe you are in an office and they've called upon you to with complaints that there's a lot of network jam, the network is slow, and you are wondering what is going on. So traffic analysis will help you to look at the packets of data going on or being transmitted within your network and look at exactly what is going on. And for you to be able to do this, there are basic tools that you need for this project, for you to execute this project. The number one tool you need to get is, or resource you need to get, is a virtual machine. So we have different kind of virtual machines. We have VMware, we have the Oracle VirtualBox, we have the Hyper-V, which is usually for Windows. And it is very essential that you make use of virtual machines for you to set up your project. Why? Because at this point, you don't want to tamper with network that you don't have permission. Because once you launch your network traffic analysis, you are capturing network and you can see things, you can see confidential information, you can see a lot of things going on within the network. So you have to be sure you have permission to launch your network traffic analysis. So for safety purposes, for you to avoid legal problems, you can just set up your virtual machines, and on your virtual machines you have different images. One of the images I would suggest you get is a Kali Linux image. So you can get like 2 or 3 Kali Linux images, or you get a Windows, a Kali Linux, and a Ubuntu, or different images. There are a lot of them available online. I'm also going to be putting in the description links to how or where you can download these images. So if you have a big home, like maybe in your home you have like 4 or 5 different devices connected to your hotspot or to your Wi-Fi modem, you can set up a system in your home and capture the traffic going on within your house. You can see the traffic between your mobile device and your or your router or 2 devices or your TV. You can capture the whatever is going on within your network. Another tool you need is Cherry Tree. Cherry Tree is an application. You have both the Linux version and the Windows version. It's a note-taking application. So for your project, since you are trying to get a project that you can use for your CV or for your resume, you need to take notes. You need to take screenshots of whatever you are doing, and you document it. So Cherry Tree is an application that you can use for note taking. The very good application. I'm going to put the link to it in the description.
If you want to learn these hands-on skills, if you want to have a one-on-one coaching experience, if you want to have a structured way in which you are going to learn this hands-on skill, go to the link in the description of this video and join the one-on-one hands-on cybersecurity coaching, where I'm going to be training you and teaching you, holding you by the hand, showing you how to set up your lab, showing you how to make use of cybersecurity tools, showing you how to teaching you the concept, teaching you the very basic concept and the hands-on practice you need.
The last one I'm going to mention here is the Wireshark, which is actually where you can analyze the traffic. Wireshark has that feature to where you can capture the traffic and analyze it within the Wireshark environment. So I'm going to be putting the link to all these tools and resources within the description. And this is a very simple project that you can do as a beginner in cybersecurity, which is going to give you a very good understanding of what goes on within a network. You can even see things like the communication, like I mentioned in the video I made when I talked about the OSI models, how computers communicate. You remember we talked about sending a SYN and an ARC message. Wireshark can help you see what is going on within. Let me launch a Wireshark screen for us to see. Okay, so this is a Wireshark. So you can go to, if you go to wireshark.org, you can download your Wireshark application here. For Cherry Tree to this is Cherry Tree. I'll put a link. You can see Cherry Tree. You can read about it. One key thing about cybersecurity is that you have to do a lot of reading and research. So you have to research on how to make use of these applications. Or can also go to TCP dump website. TCP dump is a command line tool that you install to capture your traffic. I want to show you Wireshark. Let me launch Wireshark so that you can see how it comes up. Okay, this is Wireshark coming up. So Wireshark can capture data or packets from any interface that is on your device on which it is installed. You can see here you have the Wi-Fi interface, you have the adapter, I have the local area connection. So I'm using the Wi-Fi here right now, so I can just open it. And at the same time, if you capture packets or traffic from using any other application, you can import it into Wireshark from here. You can open it. You can open an already captured traffic. So let me see what's going on. Let me just demonstrate it. So if you double click on this Wi-Fi interface, let's see what's going on. You can see the communication going on, the IP. You can see internet. A lot of information can be seen. This is traffic analysis. So I'm going to be doing a subsequent video showing on Wireshark on how to use Wireshark. So for now, I'm just showing you the website where you can download it and letting us know that Wireshark tool can solve, can help. Wireshark tool can help. So if this project is properly done, you can document it and make it let it go into your resume. Is a good hands-on project for heavy cybersecurity beginner.
If you want to learn these hands-on skills, if you want to have a one-on-one coaching experience, if you want to have a structured way in which you are going to learn this hands-on skill, go to the link in the description of this video and join the one-on-one hands-on cybersecurity coaching where I'm going to be training you and teaching you, holding you by the hand, showing you how to set up your lab, showing you how to make use of cybersecurity tools, showing you how to teaching you the concept, teaching you the very basic concept and the hands-on practice you need. Don't forget, the link is in the video description. Join the one-on-one hands-on cybersecurity coaching and you will never regret. So if this video has helped you, in any way, you have gained one or two things, please like, share with your friends, share with colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on this channel. Once again, thank you for watching.